Welcome to the wild, wonderful world of intentional camera movement, where breaking the rules creates pure magic. I am Eva Polak, and today we are diving deep into ICM, intentional camera movement, a technique that transforms ordinary scenes into extraordinary abstract art. Unlike traditional photography, where we strive for tack-sharp images, ICM embraces blur, movement, and the beautiful unpredictability of motion. It's where technical precision meets artistic chaos, and the results? Absolutely stunning. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the camera settings that unlocks ICM's full potential, explore techniques that create stunning effects, and start developing your own expressive painterly style. And be sure to stick around until the very end. I've got a little something special to help you take your summer ICM adventures even further. You don't want to miss it. So, what exactly is intentional camera movement? It's deliberately moving your camera during a longer exposure to create artistic blur and abstract patterns. But here is the key word: intentional. This isn't camera shake by accident. It's controlled movement with purpose. The magic happens when three elements combine: time, movement, and light. Shutter speed is your primary creative control. Longer exposures create more dramatic blur. 1/10 to half a second creates subtle movement and recognizable subjects. Half a second to 2 seconds creates moderate abstraction and flowing effects. 2 seconds and beyond creates heavy abstraction and pure artistic expression. Aperture controls depth and light intake. Smaller apertures give you more control in bright conditions and keep some elements in relative focus. As for ISO, keep it low to maintain image quality and allow two longer exposures without overexposure. Now let's dive into the settings that elevate basic ICM shots into striking, masterful abstracts. Choosing the right camera mode is key. Manual mode is my personal favorite. It gives complete control over the exposure triangle and lets you fine-tune every aspect of your ICM shot. Shutter priority, it's perfect for beginners. Set your desired shutter speed and the camera handles the rest. Start with 1/10 of a second and experiment from there. Image stabilization, turn it off. You want that movement to register, and image stabilization will fight against your intentional motion. Focus mode, switch to manual focus or single point autofocus. Continuous autofocus will hunt during your movement and create inconsistent results. Drive mode, use single shot, not continuous. Each ICM image should be a deliberate individual creation. File format, shot raw. ICM images often need post-processing to bring out their full potential, and raw gives you maximum flexibility. The movement itself is where ICM transforms from technique to art form. Let me show you 5 essential movements that create dramatically different effects. The classic pen. Follow a subject horizontally while using a slower shutter speed. Perfect for moving water, traffic, wildlife. The key is smooth, steady movement and consistent speed. The vertical pull. Move the camera straight up or down during exposure. Incredible for forest, architecture, and waterfalls. It creates elegant, striking effects that maintain structural recognition. The rotation twist. Rotate the camera around its lens axis. This creates stunning circular patterns and spiral effects. Work beautifully with flowers and any scene with a central focal point. The zoom burst. Change your focal length during the exposure by zooming in or out. This creates dramatic radial blur that draws the eye to the center. Use a zoom lens and smooth, steady zooming motion. The free-from dance, artistic flowing movements. Combine multiple movements, figure eights, wave, spirals. This is where ICM becomes pure artistic expression. No rules, just intuition and creativity. Start slow and smooth, jerky movements create jarring results. Practice your movement before opening the shutter. Use your whole body, not just your arms. Breathe steadily. Tension creates shake. Ready to push ICM beyond the basics? These advanced techniques will set your work apart from the crowd. Many modern cameras offer multiple exposure modes. Combine a sharp base image with 2 or 3 ICM layers for incredible depth and complexity. And the filters let you use longer exposures even in bright daylight. A 3 to 6 stop and the filter opens up ICM possibilities during golden hour and even midday shooting. Begin your exposure with the camera still for a fraction of a second, then introduce movement. This creates a ghost, sharp image layered with the movement blur. Absolutely stunning effect. Change focus during your ICM movement to create layered blur effects. Combine this with zoom burst for truly unique results. ICM isn't just about camera settings and movement techniques. It's about developing your unique artistic voice. Let me share what I've learned about finding your ICM style. Start with subjects that move you emotionally. ICM amplifies the mood and feeling of a scene, so choose subjects that already resonate with you personally. ICM works beautifully in both color and black and white. Color ICM can be dreamy and ethereal, while monochrome ICM focuses on form, texture, and emotional impact. Don't think single images. Think bodies of work. ICM shines when you explore a theme, location, or technique through multiple related images. While ICM is created in camera, thoughtful post-processing can enhance your vision. Focus on fine-tuning exposure and contrast, enhancing color harmony, subtle clarity and texture adjustment, and creative color grading for mood. Once you master these techniques, start breaking them. Combine ICM with flash, try it in different weather conditions, experiment with unconventional subjects. Your best ICM work often comes from happy accidents and bold experiments. ICM mastery isn't about perfecting a technique. It's about embracing a new way of seeing. Every camera shake, every movement, every mistake, it's an opportunity for discovery. Your homework? Grab your camera right now, set it on shutter priority. Dial in half a second, find something beautiful, and move that camera with intention. Take 20 shots. I guarantee at least one will surprise you. And if you are looking for even more inspiration this season, don't miss my free summer ICM shooting cheat sheet. It's the perfect companion to help you put these techniques into practice right away. Download it now. via the link in the description. Remember, longer shutter speed, more dramatic blur. Smooth, intentional movements beats random shake. Practice makes progress, not perfection. Your unique movement creates your unique style. I'd love to see your ICM experiments. Use the hashtag SummerICMChallenge so we can all be inspired by each other's work. Now, get out there and start moving the camera with purpose. Until next time, keep creating.